You just found the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 55,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: four-wheel drive, iPod, MP3 input, stability control, split bench seat, tow hooks, intermittent wipers, traction control, daytime running lights, adjustable steering wheel, side airbag. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.